hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between the 3GB RAM variant of RealMe 1 with the 6GB RAM variant of the RealMe 1. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Now here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores from both phones. So guys, in the first solo speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. So guys, for regular applications, 6GB RAM variant is 17 seconds faster, and that's a huge difference. Let's see how it turns out with the games. So guys, for the second solo speed test, I'll be opening the last 4 games on both phones individually, and you can see which phone opens them faster. So guys, even for the games, 6GB RAM variant is 6 seconds faster. That's not a huge difference, but considering both phones have the same processor, that's definitely a little strange. Now let's see how they perform side by side. So guys, for the regular speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time, and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is when compared to the second phone. By the way guys, RealMe 1 has just received the latest update, which kinda improved the memory management. So let's see how they perform. So guys, throughout the speed test, 6GB RAM variant was faster than the 3GB RAM variant, at least by a few milliseconds. So more RAM is definitely affecting the speed of the phone. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. So guys, now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. In the memory management round, 6GB RAM variant is the winner. It obviously can keep more apps in memory, and it was also more responsive than the 3GB RAM variant while retrieving apps from memory. Memory management has improved on the 3GB RAM variant after the update, but it is still just okay. It needs further optimization. So guys, there is definitely a huge difference between the 3GB RAM variant and the 6GB RAM variant in terms of performance. 6GB RAM variant is actually able to compete against OnePlus 6. It is not faster than the OnePlus 6, but it is able to compete with the OnePlus 6. While the 3GB RAM variant is kinda slow when we compare it with the 6GB RAM variant. At the price, 3GB RAM variant is definitely good, but if possible, get the 6GB RAM variant. So guys, looking at the results, what's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag #GreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.